Please subscribe and you can download this code from description below. Copying all properties of an object to another object is a common task in Python programming. This can be achieved using various methods, such as dictionary unpacking, the vars function, or third-party libraries like copy or copy.deepcopy. In this tutorial, we'll explore different ways to copy properties from one object to another with code examples. One of the simplest ways to copy properties from one object to another is by converting the source object into a dictionary and then using dictionary unpacking to apply the properties to the target object. Here's how to do it. In this example, we first create instances of person and copyperson. Then, we convert person1 to a dictionary using __dict__ and update the properties of copy_person with the properties from person1. The vars function can also be used to achieve the same result as dictionary unpacking. Here's how you can use it. In this example, we use vars person1 to get a dictionary representation of person1 and then update the properties of copy_person with this dictionary. The copy module in Python provides a copy function that can be used to shallow copy objects. While this method is primarily intended for copying lists and dictionaries, it can also work for simple objects with properties. Here's how to use it. In this example, we use copy.copy to create a shallow copy of person1 into person2. This method works well for simple objects like the person class shown. If you have complex objects or objects with nested properties, the copy.deepcopy function from the copy module should be used instead of copy.copy. Deepcopy ensures that nested objects are copied recursively. Here's an example. In this example, we use copy.deepcopy to create a deep copy of person1, including its nested address object. These methods provide different ways to copy properties from one object to another in Python, depending on your specific needs and the complexity of the objects involved. Choose the method that best suits your use case. ChatGPT.